see the monsters at work.
The following trios contest is set for one fall. Introducing first, Jake Doyle,
That's the family right there, dog.
and the CMLL World Heavyweight Champion, Hechicero. And their opponents, Gino Medina, Tom Phillips, and Nic
Mr.
Nolan.
Such and such, Mr. What's his name, Mr. Whoever is about to get crushed by the three monsters of the Don Callis family, baby.
Well, no doubt the Don Callis family stronger than ever before. There you see Hechicero in the midst of a 120-day reign as the CMLL World Heavyweight Champion.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Show 'em what's up. Show 'em what's up. I'm going to set the tone. I'm going to set the tone every time. That's what we talking about. That's what we do. That's what we, I'm sweaty. Yeah, Rocky, that's day one. A1 since day one. Here we go. There we go, Jake.
Doyle.
I like that.
Doyle is such a monster.
Tome Philippe in the grasp of Jake Doyle. Up and over.
My boy just wanted to get a quick pump, like getting gassed on 5-on-2. We just wanted to get a quick little pump. We just want to get a quick little pump, make quick work.
Hechicero in, and that is Medina who is in. You know, Medina and then Hechicero. You're listening to the still TNT champ, Kevin Knight, with a big title defense against a great competitor in AR Fox.
Make no doubt about it, Tony. If I'm not mistaken, that is the most defenses of the TNT.
That's your ninth. You are in the TNT record books. That's your ninth defense.
Woo, see, Paul knows stuff. That's why they pay the big bucks. That's why they pay the big bucks.
But yeah, congratulations, champ. That's a well battle.
Hey, listen, I followed a foot taller than 200 more pounds. I will argue the fact. But you know what? I'm here to watch my people do work. I like the glasses. What's that, a Michael Jackson glove? This ain't Thriller, homie.
Big Brian Cage.
He's such a
unbelievable,
superhero, massive individual. You talk about power, you look at Brian Cage, and he's pictures in the dictionary.
That's what we do, baby.
Hechicero pulling on Medina on one side, and here goes Jake Doyle.
We can get this work anywhere, inside, outside.
Picking up Nolan. Oh, brother. We got Rocky Romero on the outside, of course. Trent Beretta. Meanwhile, tilting to a knee. 1, 2, 3. This is over.
Slight word.
Here are your winners.
Slight word.
Hechicero, Jake Doyle, and Brian Cage.
And like I said, that's exactly how we're going to make work. A Darby Allin and Kenny Omega. Yeah, redemption. Here we go.
You seem awfully confident against Darby Allin, but hey, you know, this is typical. Oh my God, Don.
There we go.
Don
Put his ass down.
And now,
put his ass down.
RPG
That's what I'm talking about. Give me some. Give me some, baby.
RPG Vice, and look, and Big Lance Archer getting
there we go.
As well.
Yo, quick work. Hola, amigos.
This family may be unstoppable.
I know that is who I think it is. I know that is who I think it is.
Yes.
That's your boy?
Speedball my belly.
What's Speedball gonna do, Mike?
Get some help.
Hey, get out of there, get out of there. Get out of there, hey. Make way. Come on, Rock. Come on, Rock. This what y'all wanna do, Speedball?
The Rascals.
This what you wanna do? I can do this all week. I'm here. I beat you. I know I whoop all of them in the ring so they can get this work anytime. Come on.
Well, you say come on, but everybody on the Don Callis family is backing up. And there you see it.
He ain't nothing. This ain't over.
The Rascals joining the conglomeration.
We don't want these powers.
Speedball Mike Bailey. We're going to try to get some order out here, but standing by, John Moxley.
Come right
and
in.
Will Ospreay.
Tranquilo, papi. No problem.
What is that B-roll? So came out. This is match against Chris Jericho. Jericho attacking from the go.
Oh, Jesus.
Bat on the outside. Jericho was opened up. Tommaso Ciampa threw sand in the eyes and then got the knee and beat Jericho. And he was obviously taking him to take power tools at him. You want to handle that? Can you handle it? Talk to it?
How would you like me to handle it?
I say, Paul, we'll take you back 2 weeks, go to beach break when it really got wild between Chris Jericho and Tommaso Ciampa. Then you just say, yeah, when it started out outside, Chris Jericho hit the stairs, opened him up, had him in the walls of Jericho, but sand in the face.
Okay.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try it. There's our boss.